Ruby also has the concept of inheritance, which allows us to specialize classes and their behavior into subclasses with possibly new instance variables and class variables, as well as methods that are specialized for that subclass. So as an example, what we want to do is to introduce warning entries. These are special entries where the headline is highlighted. So what we'll do is we'll create a warning subclass of the entry class. And you see the solution already here. In Ruby, we indicate superclasses by using the less than symbol followed by the name of the superclass. So as we are defining the warning class, we indicate by using the less than symbol and the name of the superclass that warning is an entry. And then we can initialize the warning. So again, since this is a class, we have an initialize method here. And in fact, the initialize method overrides entries initialize method. And within the initialize method, we can call the initializer of the superclass simply by means of a call to super with the parameters of the initializer of the superclass. So here we hand the author and a modified headline, as well as the body and the date to the initializer of the superclass, which in this case is the initializer of entry. In this second example, we exploit the fact that warning is a subclass of entry by overriding entry's toS method. So you can see here that we override the toS method by constructing a string, and the string first says this is a warning by the author at a particular date, followed by a new line, followed by the headline, now in uppercase, and followed by a new line, finally followed by the string that makes up the body of the entry. You can see that I have created the warning class in the IRB as a subclass of entry. I have overwritten the initialize method, which makes a call to super, meaning the initialize method of the superclass, and it receives the author. I have interpolated the headline into a string that is surrounded by asterisks, and I also copy the body and the date. Furthermore, I have introduced the toS method, which now for a warning constructs the string as explained in the previous segment. Let's try it out. So we create a new warning. We still need an author, and we need a headline. And we need the body text as well as the date, but we will save those for now. And what we see here is, in fact, the format of the string is as defined by toS. And notice the subtlety here. When we submitted the headline, it was in camel case, or in regular sentence case, I should rather say. And we submitted it to the superclass using these surrounding asterisks. And then when the printing happened, we furthermore used uppercase. So this is a multi-stage process, but the result is as expected. The headline is printed with surrounding asterisks, and the text inside is uppercase.